Hello guys, welcome to another video on WP Blogger YouTube channel. On this channel, we teach beginners how to blog successfully with WordPress. We teach beginners all the necessary WordPress tutorials they need to succeed in their blogging journey. So, you are welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to hide the WordPress admin bar here. So let me go to the front end of the website and show you what I'm talking about. This admin bar right here. When you are logged into your WordPress site, you can see your admin bar here. Sometimes it causes a nuisance and others don't want to have it shown here on the front end when they are logged in. So we are going to learn a quick step-by-step guide on how to make it invisible when you are logged in. So let's leave it here. Once we are done, we'll come and refresh and see how it goes. Before we get started into the tutorials, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. Like and share this video with your friends. You can leave all your questions and feedback in the comment box below. Are you wondering what is the best WordPress hosting platform? I recommend to you Bluehost. Bluehost is the hosting platform we use here and for all my money websites. It's the best WordPress hosting platform out there. Click on the link below this video to bring you to Bluehost homepage here. Just click on Get Started, and on this page, select your duration. You have 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months. Then select your package. Select your package for the best WordPress hosting experience you will ever find on the internet. Now let's get back into today's tutorial. We want to find out how we can hide this bar here. So the first step is come over to the plugin sections and click on Add New. Now I'm going to search for Hide Admin Toolbar. And this is the plugin I'm talking about, Hide Admin Toolbar by After Money. I hope I got the name correct. Let's click on Install now. Once the plugin has finished installing, let's click on Activate. Our plugin has finished activating, so let's go back to the front end, refresh, and find out if the bar would be visible or it will be hidden. So let me refresh the home page of the front end. Our bar is not visible anymore. It's now hidden. It's not showing. Let's open one of these posts and find out. And our bar is hidden. We have successfully hidden our admin bar. So guys, this is how easy it is if you want to hide your WordPress admin bar. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, smash the like button, give me the thumbs up. It means a whole lot to me. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment box below. Before I take leave of you, I want to remind you that I have prepared some WordPress resources for beginners. Check the description box below this video for these resources. They are meant to help you become a better WordPress user. They are meant to help you immensely in your blogging journey. So check those resources out. Until I come your way with another awesome video tutorial, it's bye bye from WP Blogger.